Welcome to Empire U. Today we are going to build an appointment confirmation and send out reminder automation in the AI Empires, a white label agency powered by HighLevel. As always, we are monitoring the live on LinkedIn and Twitch, and if you didn't type it in the Twitch chat, did it really happen? Build automation. We have appointment confirmation and send. Okay, we have calendar linked, and our goal is to automate process. Example, chiropractors. Okay, I'll spell it right. Chiropractors, got it. Now let's into the full screen so you can see the tutorial and what we're gonna do here. This is gonna be the sub account demonstration that I've been doing for Empire University, how to build an AI agency on HighLevel. This is going to be the first or the second easy automation. We built a power dialer, but that's going to be in Empire University only. No contact information on YouTube. So, lesson learned, do not put contact information on YouTube demo videos. Now, let's get into this automation. This is going to be Empire Chiropractic example. This is a sub account within my agency. If you haven't seen those schema videos, make sure you go to YouTube and check those out. It'll give you an idea of the whole process. Now, over on the left side toolbar, we're going to go into automation and we're going to check out an easy automation to get started with. That is one of the recipes that comes pre-built in the AI Empires. So let's check this out. Create a workflow, and we're gonna select a recipe. Now we're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, but you're gonna get an idea of what you can do with all the pre-built automations that are already in the AI Empires. You can do a lot right out of the gate. So we're gonna come down to the bottom, and we are just gonna be doing the easy recipe, appointment confirmation, and reminder. So we're going to select that here, and we'll go customize the dashboard. Again, we're doing this from the beginning. We created this sub account yesterday live, and this is just an example of how quick you can set up the AI Empires to be effective for your business. All right. So if we're going to have, first of all, we're going to have this trigger. It be appointment, we got to say appointment status, event type normal, appointment status is confirmed. So when somebody books an appointment with us and they confirm that status, that's when we can start this automation, okay? Those are going to be those easy settings. We just created it and it's ready to go. Let's see if we have any more filters we want to have. In calendar, okay, so yeah, in calendar, we'll schedule an appointment. That is the calendar we've made to block out those times for appointments. So when they book it in that calendar, we want to let people know, save that trigger. Next one we're going to look at, and these are pre-built out of the box, ready to go. Confirmation email coming from Empire Chiropractic. From my email, appointment confirmation. Hey, your appointment has been confirmed for date that it starts at time in this time zone. Let us know if you have any questions in the meantime. Now, right here out of the gate, it has an initial Zoom meeting. It's not going to be a Zoom meeting. So we're going to say, we look forward to seeing you at 4242 Colorado Way or Colorado Street, Castle Rock. And then put in your zip code. Okay. So give them the address, that way they have it for their appointment. And this is going to be coming from Empire Chiropractic. And they can add it to their calendar, Outlook, cancel the meeting or the appointment, or reschedule it. Save that action. We're going to be 24 hours before the appointment. What do we want to do? Okay. We want to send another email. Let's just check it. Your appointment. Unless you're going to the chiropractor for a meeting, just check these inputs and it makes it really easy to get started. Our office address is 2 Street, Castle Rock, 08018. from Empire Chiropractic. Save that action. 1 hour before, same thing, right? Let's send them that text. Hey, just a friendly reminder that our appointment is in 1 hour. Here is our address. Sometimes people just like clicking on that address, going straight to maps. A text is an easy way to do that. Go 4242 Street, Soul Rock, CO 80108. Now, again, you see me type this address probably 4 or 5 times. What we're really going to do with this is put this into a custom value. So we have that placeholder in there and we can just put it in automatic, save time. But for now, we're going to save that action. And we're going to just check everything, make sure we're good here. 5 minutes before, you can maybe take these out. They're coming in, but we'll leave them in just to have the option to have them. You can always take them out, right? Go in, edit, same thing. It's always nice to have that robust automation and be able to trim it back to what you need. Okay, so we're going to save that there. Now, something I didn't do yesterday, always publish those workflows and save it, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're just going to check everything, make sure it's hooked up and good to go. Normal, confirmed, schedule an appointment. We're emailing and texting, and then we'll probably take those out depending on if a chiropractor wants that or not. But that's how you can streamline that first process of when somebody books an appointment. This is going to be Empire University, how to build an AI agency powered by HighLevel. This will be uploaded into the community. It is a free university. And what I do is I build AI agencies on HighLevel. I can either create you a sub account, I can build separate agencies. And the difference between that is with an agency, you're kind of running your own thing, but you can use all my videos. With a sub account, you start under the AI empires and start with my snapshot. So if you're interested, this is supposed to be a tutorial for everybody, and I'm using chiropractors because it's a framework that's fairly transferable to a lot of other industries. If you're reaching out to customers, if you're booking appointments, if you want to notify previous customers on discounts, there's a lot of applications that chiropractors bring to the table, and it's a good example of the snapshot you can start with. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out on YouTube or Empire University. Get started today at theAIempires.com.